Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Francis the Wizard here. Today guys, I'm very excited to share you the new application how to mirror your Android phone to your PC or any low-end laptop. So without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, first you have to browse uh, your Google Chrome and search for PC display mirror app. So okay, on this uh, on this portion, this is the original or the correct portal for the PC display screencasting mobile. So before that guys, we have already downloaded the uh, PC games, which the first we use the to screen mirror our phone, and that is already it's not really absolute, but there keep on this PC Tencent game developer is keeping more moving forward to develop more screen mirroring for the especially for the Android phone. So usually most of the scenario that there are more Android phones that is not supported by casting or HDMI or MHL or HDTV. So this is the best way guys, which I always give you an excitement how to screen mirror your Android phones in a low-end PC or laptop by using a single USB cable. Okay guys, so let's go back. This is the PC display screencast mobile phone to PC. This is the sigmaart.com. Click that click the app, and this is the one will appear. Okay guys, so I will not download this one because I already downloaded on my PC. You have to click this download 2.0.0 win. Okay guys, this is support Windows 7 plus. It means Windows 7 and above and Android 10 and above. So I don't think it will work to iOS, but there specified here is only Android. Anyway, maybe there's an iOS version on this. So what you will do, just go down. This version is only a demo mode which we are going to download. It's free for 4 features only, 1 2 3 4, and that features is Android phone 1, click screencasting, support USB Wi-Fi screen projection, no root required, so it means no complication in doing downloading, and simultaneously transfer of mobile phone sound to computer. So that's it guys, it supports the sound from your cell phone to your PC or laptop. So when this app has another option, if you are willing to, there is a VIP corner here. There are all the features are checked. If you buy this app, so we are saving our money. I know people out there are saving money just to do some mirroring of your phone, so maybe no need for this app to be downloaded or added to your screen mirroring application. So let's go back. So let's go out from there now. So I downloaded the PC display, and you are going to right click on that, run administrator, and see. Do not click yes, because you have to do is to connect your phone to your USB cable. So I already connected my USB cable to my laptop down here, and I'm going to connect now to my phone. Now says no, click the no data transfer. Then after that, go to the apps that you have downloaded, also the PC display, which is found on the Google Play Store. It can be easily downloaded immediately on your mobile screen. So let's click the PC display. Then you have two options. You can do the connection of your mobile to your PC with Wi-Fi, and the other one is the USB connection. So let's use only the USB connection. Click that USB connection. All you have to do is go to the settings. Then after the settings, you have to enable your USB tethering. Okay guys, so I'm going to enable that USB tethering. Now it's already on. Out from there and click again the PC display app. Then click on the PC, the yes portion. Okay, click that one. Wait, the app is coming now. So after that, go to the screen projection. Click that screen projection. In a second, boom, there, it's already there. See, very fast screen mirroring. No apps, no download, no going to any folders in the PC. So there's no complication in downloading this app, and it's very useful for us. So now it's already, the projection is successfully, it's written there, successfully, even in my phone, successfully. So let's go out from our phone. Then that's my mirror. Already my phone is mirror on my PC, on my PC display monitor. Okay, now if you want to watch YouTube, you can watch YouTube. There, you can watch YouTube, and you can choose any channel you want. Then now, see, now it's already landscape. It's a wide screen. The good thing for this, guys, if you are a streamer, you can move your second screen wherever you wish to put. You can make it smaller, like that. On the right corner, you can move it on the left corner, anything. If you are using an OBS application, especially if you are a streamer, live streamer, then you can use this app immediately, easy. There's no video card capture needed. So it's very nice to have this app again, and thank you for the Tencent game developer, which they are now on the new develop a new application for Android screen mirroring without MHL and HDMI support. Okay guys, you can play also games. Let's go out from the YouTube now. Then you can go to immediately to your PUBG Mobile. See, a small screen. If you want a bigger screen, you just drag this one, boom, and it will go more zoom. The screen is bigger and bigger, so that you can play like a PC experience gaming. And I hope you like this video, guys, and help you a lot, and I'm so excited to share with you this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and support this channel, and see you in my next video. Thank you.